A source of pride for Turkey as a global brand that designs and produces defense technologies in aerospace. Turkish Aerospace, which works day and night to meet global requirements and leads Turkey in aerospace. Attack and Tactical Reconnaissance Helicopter T129 ATAK. The T129 ATAK has been optimized for specific hot and high performance requirements of the Turkish Armed Forces. A tandem-seat, twin-engine, NATO interoperable attack helicopter optimized for attack, armed reconnaissance, precision strike and deep strike missions at day and night, all environments, and regardless of weather conditions. Battlefield survivability, maximized by state-of-the-art integrated aircraft survivability equipment, including advanced electronic warfare processor, radar warning receiver, laser warning system, missile warning system, and advanced self-protection using enhanced chaff and flare countermeasures dispensing system, radar, and IR jamming capability. Turkish Aerospace, the architect of many projects, has achieved the most challenging goals and has turned Turkey's dreams into reality. We are inspired from the crescent and the star on our flag. Turkish Aerospace.